Meaning of evangelist.
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 Evangelist. An evangelist is a term used to describe someone who is dedicated to promoting a particular belief or idea with great enthusiasm and conviction. Generally, this term is most often associated with religious figures who work to spread the message of their faith to others. However, it can also be applied in other contexts, such as marketing or politics, where individuals advocate for a particular product or ideology. Overall, an evangelist is someone who is deeply committed to sharing their perspective with others, often with the goal of converting them to their way of thinking.